gentlemen, it is December 6th and it's super cold, maybe 38 degrees. And it's been a while since we've gone on a decent hike. So today we are gonna go about just 3 miles out and back to the High Knob Firetower. And we're right along the West Virginia border on Route 33. So once we get up to the Firetower, you can see both Virginia and West Virginia. So it should be good. It's a little cold, but it's pretty sunny, so it's really nice. And it's just been busy with the holidays, you know, Thanksgiving, with Christmas coming up. So it's good to get outside though. Just a quarter mile left. I think we're about 3,500 feet up, which is pretty high for Virginia. So I'm getting that altitude training, you know. There it is, High Knob Firetower. It's beautiful. It says we are 4,100 feet up.